Megajobathon hiring challenge for freshers. Uh, that question is like Geek and Geekina purchasing a ice cream. A restaurant has n ice cream. Each ice cream has same flower represented by A of I. Some flavor represented by A of I. Geek and Geekina want to pick ice cream with the same flavor, but they want them to be at least k indices apart from each other. If I and j are indices of a ice cream picked by Geek and Geekina respectively, if absolute difference between both of them should be greater than or equal to k, must hold. Find the number of different ways they can order a ice cream. So here the question is given like is so 0 1 0 1 2 3, so at least, and 1 2 3 4 1. So what he is saying is, for suppose 1 2 2 1 2 2, if it is there, the difference between these are with the same flavor, right? Here A of I represents the flavor of the ice cream, so if you pick these two, the distance is 0 here. 1 2 3 0, so 3 minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 minus 0 greater than or equal to 2. Here k is given 2. It varies according to the question. So, and these two is not applicable because this index is 1, this index is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is not valid. And if you pick these two, then 1 comma 1 2 2 1 2 2, if you pick these two, then also it applicable, valid. And if you pick these two, then also it applicable, and if you pick these two, then also applicable. The difference between their index should be greater than or equal to k. Okay, we have to find the number of possible ways. So here what I am actually doing is, here n value is if you using two loops, if you are using two loop, here n value is 10 power 5 and k value is 10 power 5. So if here n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 10 power 5, and also k is also same, greater than or equal to k and less than or equal to 1. So if n is equal to 10 power 5 and k is equal to 10 power 5, then if you using two loops, then it is applicable. If n is equal to 10 power 5 and k is equal to 1, then we have to travel 10 power 10 into 10 power 10 power 5 into 10 power 5, so 10 power 10. Total number of ways is 10 power 10, so it exceeds 10 power 8, so it shows TLE. We have to reduce that, so we are doing here 10 power 5. If using two loops, if I is equal to 0, I less than n, in second loop we have to travel like that, j is equal to I plus k and j is less than n and j plus plus. Here the problem comes when k is small, like if k is equal to 1, we have to travel 10 power 5 into 10 power 5. So what we are doing is, we have to reduce it, we have to do in O of n time complexity. So what I am applying is, here I am using maps. You will understand more better by the code. Take a long answer is equal to 0 for take another map data structure. I is equal to, we are starting here from the k. K. Sorry, here we have to take again. MP of I minus k, MP of AR of I minus k, MP of A of I. Just return the answer. That's it. Only 3 lines code. What I will explain this again to you. Why I am doing like this. For suppose 1 2 1 2 2 and if it is 1, we are, if k is equal to 2, then we are traversing here from here. So when we are traversing here, the distance is at least the distance is at least k, right? So we are traversing here from, because the last index is 0, so this index is 2, so the distance is at least 2 minus 0 is 2, so it is equal to k. So it varies, it is minimum value, right? So what I am doing is I am traveling from here, I am moving from here, and I am moving from here, for suppose, and I am doing MP of A of I minus k means I is equal to 2, and I am incrementing that value. And what I am doing is, if for example, for suppose if we are here and we are incrementing the value in the map I minus, for suppose this index is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5, so 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. We are incrementing this value and we are checking how many numbers are comes earlier, which at least k minus 1 distance. So if you apply this algorithm, you will get right answer. If MP of A of I minus k plus plus, so when we are here, this can contribute, this can contribute. When we are here, this is not contributed. We are only increasing the value. When we are here, these two only contribute this. We have to check the say numbers which are k distance apart from that given number. So we can, each time we can add the frequency of that numbers. So if you submit this code, yeah, it gives correct answer. Yeah, it passes, it submitted successfully, so it passes all test cases. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comments.